Welcome to today's security briefing. We're focusing on CVE 2025-67724, a critical vulnerability in the Tornado Python web framework. If you're running Tornado up to version 6.5.2 or Debian 11's Python Tornado package, you need to pay close attention. A flaw in how custom status phrases are handled can lead to both cross-site scripting and HTTP header injection attacks. The issue has been resolved in Tornado 6.5.3, so updating is key. Tornado is an open-source Python web framework and asynchronous networking library widely used for building high-performance web applications. The vulnerability affects Tornado versions earlier than 6.5.3. Debian 11's Python Tornado package ships version 6.5.2 by default, making Debian servers particularly exposed until they upgrade or backport the fix. CVE 2025-67724 encompasses two main weaknesses: improper neutralization of input during web page generation, CVE-79 or cross-site scripting, and improper neutralization of HTTP headers for scripting syntax, CVE-44 header injection. Combined, they allow attackers to inject malicious payloads into error pages and headers, potentially leading to data theft or session hijacking. In Tornado's request handler.setToStatus and Tornado web HTTP routines, developers can supply a custom reason phrase for HTTP status lines. Versions 6.5.2 and below fail to escape this user-controlled string when writing it into the HTTP header or into the default HTML error page. An attacker who can influence the reason argument through a web endpoint or misconfigured API can inject arbitrary script into the error page or malicious header directives into the response. This can be exploited for XSS attacks in clients or header injection to manipulate HTTP behavior. The vulnerability was published on December 12, 2025, and patched in release 6.5.3 on December 18, 2025. If you maintain Tornado-based services or run Debian 11 with Python Tornado, upgrade to Tornado 6.5.3 immediately or apply the patched Debian package. Review any custom error handling code that uses the reason parameter and ensure all user inputs are properly sanitized. Staying current with upstream releases and backports is your best defense against emerging threats like CVE 2025-67724.